Shifting focus now, a law student was allegedly raped in a Kolkata college. This comes months after the horrific RG Kar rape and murder case. The student was allegedly raped at a law college in Kolkata this week, after which police arrested 3 men, a contractual staffer who was a TMC student wing functionary and 2 other students. The prime accused was a former student of the law college and is currently employed in the institution as a contractual staffer. While he was a TMC Parishad leader during his time as a student, the TMC has claimed that he is no longer associated with the party. My colleague Shreyashri joins us with more details. Shreyashri, NDTV has accessed the complaint copy of the survivor as well, and she has made some big allegations as far as the prime accused is concerned, saying that he had threatened to kill her and her boyfriend, and not just that, but he had earlier offered some position to her in the TMC as well.
Well, of course, the political link is undeniable. Apart from the photographs that are posted on the prime accused social media page, the Trinamool Congress, while addressing the media yesterday, also said that there is no denying that, yes, he was part of the Trinamool Congress Chhatra Parishad, which is the student wing. But at the same time, they also said that around 100 to 150 joined the student wing from the districts, and it is not possible to keep track of everyone. But having said that, the complaint copy, of course, is horrific. It not only goes on to say about the threat, the death threats that were given by the prime accused, but it also goes on to really put out the sequence of events that led to the horrific crime inside an educational institute here in Kolkata. This happened inside a law college in Kolkata. The victim is a law student. The accused, 2 of them current students, 1 former student. And the entire incident unfolded between the union room around 4:30 is when the accused and the victim first met. There was a marriage proposal given, which was declined by the victim, saying that she's already in a relationship. And thereafter, the accused then pushed the girl into a washroom that was locked from inside. 2 of the other accomplices were standing outside keeping guard. The girl begged the accused to let her go, but she was then taken to the guard's room, and then she was gang raped inside the security guard's room inside the law college. So these details are extremely shocking. And for those who are not from Kolkata, the law college is just about 3 to 4 minutes away from the police station that is now investigating the case. But of course, it has brought in a lot of discomfort for the Trinamool Congress, which was battered by the RG Kar rape and murder case just about a year ago in August. And now this fresh incident, of course, has given not only the opposition fresh ammunition against the Trinamool Congress, but even the people of West Bengal, the people of Kolkata are questioning how is it possible that a girl a student is gang raped inside her own college by her colleagues and a former student. So, of course, all eyes on what developments take place today. The police is likely to visit the spot, and we will be bringing all those details in.